Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Monday morning. This is going to be a crazy week in the market and for Tesla in general. The market just opened up. We're just going to go over what I think Tesla's going to do, which who knows? Actually, nobody knows really, but it's kind of like a little update. The market opened up a little bit ago. It's 9:51. We'll jump into Robinhood here in a minute. I'm just going to read you some of the major finance news things going on this week. And of course, Tesla's earnings is on Wednesday night. So there's going to be high volatility and there's a lot of premium to be had probably Wednesday during the day. So let's jump in here. We will go to, come on, where is it? I just had it up. There we go. You're just using Yahoo Finance. It's kind of liberal, but you kind of can get a read on what these libs are saying. U.S. stock futures slide as U.S.-Iran tensions flare up. So yeah, we're still not 100% peace. So the market could be crazy this week just based on anything that Trump says or whatever happens in Iran. So you got to, keep that in mind. Hormuz traffic at standstill after U.S. Yeah, so it was open for a while, and then now I think we shot at one cargo deal and then shut it back down. Semiconductor stocks haven't been this hot since what does it say? Haven't been this hot since the dot-com bubble, and it could end badly. So semiconductors, I'm not really in any of those, but all the stuff coming out of Taiwan. SpaceX filing just happened, so this is huge. I've been trying to figure out how to get into SpaceX before at the IPO, but it's all these funds that I really don't feel like moving my money around. I'm sure Tesla and SpaceX will merge down the road sometime, I bet, but we'll see. So I think SpaceX going IPO can only help Tesla. I mean, that's my little view right now, but who knows? All right, USA Rare Earth to acquire Sierra Verde at $2.8 billion deal. It sounds, if you're into rare earth, it sounds like something's going your way. Tech stocks today, Google, Marvell, sync on AI chips, whatever that means. India, South Korea, ally on $50 billion trade push. Marvel stock jumps on report of AI chips talks to Google. Who cares about Marvel stock unless you are in it? Let's see. Yeah, nothing. Tesla's earnings. Okay, so here's a big thing for Tesla. Energy storage is to pick up slack. So pretty much we know what Tesla's earning, right? Earnings is on Wednesday, but we already kind of know what's going on. They fell short on some of their automobile deliveries, and the energy storage kind of took a little bit of a hit, but it looks like this thing, Reuters is saying it'll pick up the slack. The energy storage is pretty big. Tesla's going to be weird, so let's, before we jump into anything, by the way, like, subscribe. I'm not a professional, whatever, financial advisor. I made some merch, man. I got one on right now. You can't see the little T right there. Well, let's show you the full one. So the front of it's got the little T right there. It's like T cubed, right? So it's going to be on the left side. So, and then the back, we got trade, travel, truth, trading, traveling, no filter, and then a little T cubed over there. This is my first two shirts. They're pretty expensive, but if anybody's interested in any of this T-shirt or anything, let me know. We'll see if we can come up with a price and maybe buy some more. All right, so it's quick Monday morning here. We're going to jump right into the Robinhood and see what's going on. I'll see you in the hood, baby. All right, guys, welcome to the hood. Hey, here we are. Let's get into the hood. All right, so Tesla earnings is going to be Wednesday after the market closes, and it's expected to swing either way 6%. What do I think? Who knows? So yesterday, the news came out that Elon's going to put robo-taxi, or it's got approved for Dallas and Houston. So that's why when the market opened, it jumped up to 404, and now it's going back down. I think it's probably going to stay low. I don't think it's going to go up after earnings because we kind of already know what earnings is going to be. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I just kind of have a feeling it's going to drop back down. It's going down right now, which is kind of good for me. I can lock up some of this profit right here, this $7,000. And then I could roll this forward, right? So this is at 400, it's 393. So what I could do to make this, we could roll this forward in time so we get the expiration dates sooner. Let's see if we could do it. So these expire in November. Let's try to roll it back to October and go down $5, see what happens. No, it's depth. That's not going to work. So we need to probably wait till it goes down a little lower. Let's see, roll position. Let's try October 16th again. Probably got to roll down to 90 to get a profit. Whoops. Nope. Let's try this. Nope. Nah, it's still too... The rolling, this is going to have to go up a lot to roll down. This one, 95. This one looks good. And so what I look for when I think about rolling, see the delta right here. The delta is 0.51. I don't get worried till that gets close to 0.7. And then the theta is the time thing, so we'll have to look at that as well. But all right, so Tesla, my prediction, the earnings, I'm hopefully going to roll on Wednesday afternoon when the IV is high and lock up some profits, depending on which way Tesla's going. I have a feeling it's going to drop down further and further, which is fine for me because these numbers get bigger. This one gets bigger and bigger. So we're at 8%. Let's see if I wait till the finish in this. Come on, why does it never work? $83,000 for that one if it goes all the way out. Not too shabby, kid. All right. That's it. My prediction is Tesla's probably going to stay in the 390s, if not go lower. I could be wrong. Don't take my advice. That is it. Have a great Monday. 420, baby. Woohoo!